go to your Outlook, then go to the settings, click on the settings. On that, there is account, then go to signature. And here you can create a signature. And how to set up a signature? You can add a name for the signature. So you just say default signature. After that, you are supposed to write surname, then give a name. So this is actually for a signature for a US university. Then you can mention your student ID, and then this is service ID on US student visa, and then email address, and then program you are admitted in. So yeah, then phone number. So this is basically the default signature. Now, before we save this, what we are trying to do is for new messages, we are going to select some signature. So let me first save this. Okay. Now we have the signature that is saved as default signature. Now for new messages, you can select default signature. For replies and forwards, you can select default signature and then click on save. Now this is how you are going to set up an email signature when you are on a student visa. Now when you are going to write an email, this is going to show your signature. Now please replace the details of you in place of the fields that I have mentioned. And that's it. This is how you can set up the email signature block when you are in a US university. Thank you.